you guys, so I am logged into my Canva, and so I want to show you guys just briefly the 2 drafts I made in 2023 when I did my digital vision board. So, you know, over the year I was trying to be more about being healthier, getting in shape, also getting a new car, moving into a home, reading more books, you know, amping up my fashion, and then also getting more into the Word. A Bible verse that I mentioned that just kept coming crossing my path, I guess I can say. That was the one I created for the first draft, and then I was like, I feel like it could be better. I wanted some more photos, so I did recreate it, and this was the final one I put on my phone. But, you know, I had the books, I had one of my favorite YouTubers. This is Anitra, and her YouTube channel is Nitra B. This is one of my favorite photos of her. It was on Pinterest, and I just loved the aesthetics of her desk here, her home. She's very fabulous. She's stylish. I really do look up to her. You know, she's a wife, she's a mom, and she's a girl boss. She is a boss babe. You know, she works for herself. She's a content creator and influencer, if you want to call her that. But I just really admire how down to earth and humble she is. She's so sweet spirited on her channel. I definitely think that, you know, this new year is going to be the year I get to go to the dealership and walk out with my baby and the keys in my hand. So we shall see what the future holds for this year, but I definitely think it's coming. And then real estate, you know, my goal, like I said, was to get my license by the end of the year, and I did that. And this was a cute real estate sign I saw on Pinterest. It just says, everything I touch turns to sold. And prayerfully this new year will be the start to that part of my life where I can finally start getting into my real estate journey, my real estate career. And, you know, I still have to go through the process to decide on a brokerage. I actually have an upcoming appointment with a brokerage company here in Florida, so I'm going to see how that goes, and prayerfully it's going to be the one I want to go with. I feel like this one's going to be right and be a good fit for me to get started in my career, so we will see. And then, you know, my Bible things. So this is just what I have right now, but we are going to amp this up. I'm going to make some adjustments to a couple of photos on here, I think, but for the most part I want to keep the same thing. And I may even add a couple more images, just because now I also want this to be my wallpaper on my MacBook on the home screen, so that way I have it on my computer and I also can have it on my phone as well. So that is my goal. That's what I'm about to start working on, so we shall see. Downloaded it from Canva. So this is the new one. Again, the only thing I changed, I decided to keep all the photos the same because a lot of this stuff is still things I want to work on this new year, especially the getting in shape. We are not there. We're not going to talk about it. But I put an updated home. You know, we definitely we don't know what the year has in store for us. You know, it is possible some things will be changing, possibly a different home. We shall see what God has in store for us. So I just put a home with some land. That's a goal. And then the 2 scriptures now, so Hebrews 10:35 and 36, and then Jeremiah 29:11 is still going to stick to me, stay on my board. I know some people with their vision boards love to put their like word of the year and stuff like that. We'll also talk about that in the planning portion of this video. Alright, you guys, real quick before I lay down and go to bed, I just wanted to show you all I have finished the vision board layout for my computer on my lap. I'm too sleepy. I'm not even making sense right now. Anyways, this is the vision board I made for my laptop. So now I have this one. It's pretty similar to my computer, but this time I incorporated travel and, you know, just a little bit of black love aesthetics. You know, I just want more love and one-on-one time with my husband in this new year. More, you know, date nights and things with just the two of us. Possibly an upgrade. A hint, hint. But no, this is pretty much it for the vision board. That is going to be it for part 1 of the 2024 series for my channel. So please stay tuned. We are going to be moving over to part 2. I will of course take my shower, freshen up, have breakfast, you know, be in the Word in the morning, do some journaling possibly, and then we will sit down and film the part 2 series, which is setting up my planner and how I'm organizing and doing all that. So stay tuned.